Hey fam, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Yvonne Carey and here we just talk about skincare lifestyle. And we just finished, so we finished our 7 days quail eggs challenge where I was literally trying to drink. I was drinking raw quail eggs just for the glow and also to make sure that our skin stays healthy and gain all the proteins that I need for my body. I don't know if you tried it out, but if you did not, go ahead, watch the video and try. And so guys, if this is your first time tuning on, you're welcome and thank you so much for joining. And do not forget to leave without subscribing and also like this video. So our egg challenge is off. Our quail egg challenge is done and dusted, and I thought it wise not to leave you guys alone. I want to try another challenge, but this is not going to be daily. We're just going to do it haphazardly but consistently. Okay, so this is so we're going to try the ice therapy challenge. All right, so this is ice, and this is our black soap, and also this is our facial serum. So if you're seeking to actually glow up your skin and prepare your skin for summer, and you're seeking for that glassy face, because my aim is to come up with a glassy look. Okay, our aim is to come up with a glassy look, a face free of acne, a face free of dark spots. If you look at my face clearly, you will see that there are no spots on it, no eye bags, no on the eye. So if that's what you're aiming for, then this video is for you. All right, without taking so much of your time, let's go ahead and see how we can begin. So I'm gonna begin with dipping my face in here. So do you want to help me? Okay, so guys, this is my eyes black, so pour the water. So let's see how long I can dip my face into this eye. So ice block therapy is really a great remedy for collagen. You know, if you want to have that glassy look, that stiff face, that ageless face, ageless skin, then you see people dipping themselves into ice and others dip their faces into ice. So just like you're going to see me do right now. So please pay attention to the rules. It's not an easy thing. It looks easy, right? But try it. Just try and you're going to see. All right, it's okay. I don't want to melt the ice, so I literally want to. Let's go.
You don't know what.
3, 2, 1.
You don't want to mess up your lipstick.
I think the water. I think I don't need anything like this. Let's add the water. Okay. So let's go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, stop.
Oh my god. Yeah, give me tissue.
I want to try it too.
Wait first. So this is the first stage. Let's go along with the second stage. Give me. 3, 2, 1, go.
It looks really good. I tried to.
Okay. Try. Don't show your face. Just try.
1, 2, 3, go.
Don't drink it. Let me have a go. Just cold. Go guys. So the last time, so this is the last time. This is what it looks like to have an ice therapy. So next thing I'm gonna do is to use my black soap. All right, this is our repair black soap, and if you know, you know. So this black soap will literally repair your skin in every dimension. If you have acne, if you have dark spots, if your face has been ruined, your skin has been ruined by other products, then this black soap is literally what you need. So what you need is, so I'll go ahead. So this is how you apply
There's a little bug.
before I melt. So guys, this is how you literally massage everything. Put everywhere, everywhere. Okay, fam. So look at my face. So I have to leave it on my face for about 10 minutes, and now I will wash it off. So you can see that is a little tight. So let's go before, and you're good to go. And so fam, so this is how your face is supposed to look like. Take a look. So we're gonna try this challenge for 7 days, and let's see how the outcome is gonna be. So I'm gonna be trying this because we need it this summer. We need it. So this is all what you need to do. You can do this as your morning skincare routine or your night skincare routine. That's up to you. But what's for sure is that you should do it. Okay. So guys, and I love doing it during the day or later at night, so that it's the last thing I do before going to bed. And remember, if you try this out, your skin will glow. You're gonna thank me later. Until then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.